This is a 2009 BMW 128i E82 chassis. It's a two-door coupe with a six-cylinder N52 engine. I am installing this rear view camera into the trunk lid, and this assembly is intended to replace the trunk latch. This is the box it came in, and I'll include a link in the video description. The first step was to just pop this out of the latch, and it just pops out. You can pry it with a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, whatever you want, and it'll pop right out. So with this out, I can release the electrical connector. There, you pull very firmly and the connector comes out. Another precaution I've taken is to put a rag over the latch so the trunk does not accidentally close. I don't want that to happen. For the next step, I've removed the cover from the trunk. It was held on with a bunch of clips like this, that you pop clips, you just pull them out, release them, and then they pull right out. In order to remove the cover piece, I had to release this emergency handle from its little cable. And I just did that by pushing with my fingers. So I've connected the latch to the wiring of the car, and I've taken the wiring of the camera and I've run it through here, through into the back of the trunk. And next I just test this to make sure that it works. And maybe you just heard that it is working. So to get it to seat securely into the opening that is intended for, I used a little bit of grease, all-purpose grease. You can see the little bit of black grease. And I'm going to clean it off, of course, but I also used this rubber mallet just to give it a light tap to seat it in. And now it's securely seated, and the latch still works. Okay, and the wires of the camera are hanging down through the lid, and they're ready to be connected all the way up with the extension wire all the way up to the new head unit that we're putting in, and that's covered in another video. And there's how it looks from the outside on the car. You wouldn't even notice it. It's almost OEM-like fit. By the way, this camera is user selectable to either 480p or 720p higher resolution. So it can be compatible with either type of head unit or monitor, low resolution or higher resolution. And the selection is made by just simply cutting a wire on the camera. This switches it from its default that it's shipped with, which is CVBS or 480p, to the higher resolution AHD or 720p. So it's a very versatile camera. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be continuing with the complete installation of the Android head unit in this car connected to this backup camera. So stay tuned.